ሰላም እንደምናችሁ ውድ የሐዋርያችሁ ተከታታዮችና ቤተሰቦች በዚህ ቪዲዮ እንግዲህ የሙቪ ሪአክሽን የምናደርግ ይሆናል ክራይም 101 እንግዲህ ገና ይሄን ፊልም አላየሁትም ሳላይ ነው ሪአክት ማድረግላችሁ ፊልሙ እንግዲህ ገና አልተለቀቀም ብያስባለሁ ሪአክሽኑ ከወጣ ኦልሞስት 3 ሳምንት ትሬለሩ ከወጣ 3 ሳምንት ሆኖታል በጣም የሚገርም የክራይም የሆነ የወንጀል ፊልም ነው እንደምትወዱ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ የ3 ደቂቃ የሙቪ ትሬለር ነው አብራችሁኝ እንድትከታተሉ ጋብዛችኋለሁ ዳይ ወደ ትሬለሩ
Mike
Sharon so what are we driving
if you can guess I'll give you the keys to it
Ooh Chevy Chevelle racing green
right color
That is a beautiful car I need to be in your line of work I'm real good at reading people.
And what have you read about me?
Okay. You look like a person who has secrets. You got the cars, the clothes, but you can't seem to look me in the eye.
Start by handing me your phone.
You're looking at robberies of jewels, money, or high-value items in the last 4 years. Now, remove every robbery where there was DNA left at the scene. I think all of these are the same guy, and he hits every time along the 101 freeway.
I came here to make you a business proposition. You've worked at the same company for 11 years. You're a VP when you should be a partner. Those high-value items your company insures, I occasionally make them disappear, and no one gets hurt. Everyone dies for an insurance company. Get in. There's water in the trunk.
Here's a courier carrying watches and gems, and the buyer's paying cash. Looking at $11 million in one room, 3 of which I'll be taking. Doesn't matter how much money you make, it's never enough.
I'll know when I have enough.
How?
He's planning something new, Solomon.
My dad always says you gotta break a few eggs.
You tell him I see you again in the boat.
As smart as our guy is, he can't help but form a pattern. I'm getting close. I know it.
Some guys will feel right.
Nice car. You into cars?
Yeah, I prefer the old American ones.
I used to dream of having a Mustang when I was a kid.
Like Steve McQueen.
You ever see the Thomas Crown Affair? Well, he's a high-class thief in it.
I like Bullet. All the chases.
You're about to break every rule you've ever lived by. What makes this job different?
There comes a moment when you realize you don't have as much time as you thought you had.
ሚገርም ፌብሩዋሪ 13 ተለቋል ማለት ነው ይሄ ፊልም እየገባችሁ ተመልከቱ በነፃ ማየት የምትፈልጉ ደግሞ ኮሜንት ላይ እየገባችሁ ሊንክ ላክልኝ ብላችሁ ጠይቁ ልክላችኋለሁ ክራይም 101 ሚገርም አክሽን ፉል የሆነ ሰስፔንስ የሆነ ትሪለር የሆነ በጣም የሚገርም ፊልም ነው እንደምትወዱት ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ እኔ ሐዋርያው ነኝ ከሐዋርያችሁ እስካሁን ስለተከታተላችሁኝ አመሰግናለሁ በዩቲዩብ